Hey y'all, it's Emily Elise, and today we're doing inside leg hang to Superman. First, we're gonna hook the inside leg into a leg hang by lifting our hips straight up into the air. Up and hook. From here, we're gonna take this back leg, we're gonna bring it across the body to leverage momentum. We're gonna bring it down to the floor, turn it out, bring it around, and then up. See how I got up between those thighs? That's where I squeeze and roll over that shoulder for that Superman. To get out, I can just come down, pull through, and finish. First, we're gonna take our hips and plow them up to the sky to hook our inside leg on the pole, and up and hook. From here, we're gonna take this back leg, internally rotate it across the body. We're gonna drop it down, turn it out, bring it around, up with the hips to catch the pole in between the thighs. You can see I'm already starting to roll over my shoulder. I really squeeze, lift as I flip over to Superman. If you want a different way to come out, we're just going to drop, push through the hands, bring the pleasers in, and smile. Hi. Hot tip, the higher your inside leg hang, the easier it is to flip over the shoulder.